Hello everyone, my name is Pratima Kafle. I have included some pictures of me within this slide and also a picture that I actually took when I was coming home back from the Bahamas. It just represents that I love traveling, and then there's a picture of me with a camera which represents that I love taking pictures of nature and anything beautiful I see. So my current major is health sciences, and I am currently intending to become a physician's assistant someday. And currently, I am a junior. So some of the healthcare experiences that I say that I have are: one, I work for Bay State Medical Records. So with this job, I just deal with patients' medical records. So I fax them from our Bay State Medical Center over to different hospitals, different insurance organizations, for lawyers, anything like that, and even to patients. We have the option of either emailing it over to patients, faxing it over, waiting for patient pickup, or anything that's basically what is most accessible for the patients. Um, I'm currently doing this job from home though, so it's just Saturdays and Sundays, and it is work from home. I also, during this summer, completed a clinical internship at Islamabad, Pakistan. It was such an amazing experience. It was such a eye-opening experience. I got to really understand how the healthcare field just works in different, I guess, different countries and poorer countries and countries that just don't have as much as resources that the United States has. Um, I got to basically work in all different departments of the hospital. So we went from radiology to ICU to the ER department. We got to see patients one on one and how they are really cared for in the hospital. We got to see such like patients that are just coming for regular checkups to patients who were just brought in really quickly by the ambulance from like life-threatening situations. And it was just such a, I guess, really such an eye-opening experience. It was the best, and I would recommend traveling and trying internships if you can to just anybody, because you really understand how the world works other than just being in the bubble that you are, just within America. You get to see how other countries work and how people in other countries are suffering, and differences between America and just countries that are below America. So I am taking this class because I'm just really interested to learn more and understand how ethic plays a role in the medical field. From working with that internship, I got to see how patients should be treated, what's right and what's wrong. I got to really understand how ethics takes place in the medical field, but I would just like to learn more by taking a class, and it is needed. Within my health sciences major, I am required to take medical ethics. It is all like this class, I believe, is just very crucial when we're working within the healthcare field. I also took Intro to Ethics during fall semester of 2022, which also showed me a little bit about ethics. We did talk about medical ethics in that class, but we didn't really dig deeply into just medical ethics. I guess it was just the basics. Okay, so this is an image of me and my best friend that was taken in Pakistan. We are both on the same journey of becoming physician assistants, so it was her that I traveled with. It was just the two of us when we went over to Pakistan. She's actually Pakistani, I am Nepali, so I got to explore her country as well as just have such good experience. I met such great people. It was honestly the best there. But yeah, this is me, and this is why I am taking medical ethics.